The author's primary purpose in this passage is to. So let's take a look back here and see what's going on. He's talking about this camouflage theory. Fish are darker on the top than on the bottom. So that's the theory. Then the Nile catfish comes along and it's actually lighter on top. So, this part's going to disprove the theory. But then at the very end, we say, well, some of these ichthyologists or these fish scientists have saved the camouflage theory by saying, you know what? The Nile catfish simply swims upside down. So again, the dark side is on top. And so that's the kind of the main purpose of the passage, is to show that there was a theory, it was challenged, and then everything was fine in the end. So we go back to our answers, starting with A. Describes the resolution of a challenge to a science-based hypothesis. Well, there was a resolution. Everything's fine with the camouflage theory. That is the science-based hypothesis, and we noted the challenge there because, hey, we had the Nile catfish, and they had different colorings, the reverse from what we'd expect. So that's a pretty strong answer. Let's look at B. Discuss the importance of a phenomenon involving predators. Nope, we were talking again about this theory and how it was challenged and how it came out on top. C. Show how ichthyologists typically resolve issues in their field. How do we know this is how typically things come out? We don't. So C is out. T. Contrast the counter shading of the Nile catfish with that of other fish. Well, where were the other fish? I didn't see any other fish in the passage. Gone. E. Describe the origins of a theory put forth by ichthyologists. So this one could be tempting. There's definitely a theory. It's being put forth here by ichthyologists. But what about the origins? Does he describe where this theory came, how this theory came about, the background? I mean, again, the main point when we look here at the primary purpose is to show us how this theory was challenged and how it came out on top. E does not do that. A up here does. That's our answer.